Installing a wall starter. First, find where you're going to start off, or you can do it after the fact, after you install everything and you want to lock them into the wall, but I suggest doing them first. Find out where you want to put your cover first, and this cover basically is about 3 inches deep, which hides the physical wall starter so you can have adjustments if the floor is unlevel. By first putting a level, make sure you're level top to bottom. Second, shoot in sheetrock screws on the cover. Locks it in tight. If you have a molding from a landlord that you can't cut, please cut the wall starter a couple inches to accommodate, or cut out the wall molding if you want it to go all the way to the floor. This is what a wall starter cover looks like. It's just an aluminum piece of metal. It's a sleeve. And all you do is you mount it right on the wall. This is an 8-foot one, this is a 7-foot one, but most of the time you'll be getting 8 foot, and this is what it looks like. Second part of the wall starter is your piece that connects to the panel. Basically, all this does, it connects right here at the end of the panel, and you use the biggest screws to connect to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lock it in at the end. So now you have one part of the wall starter locked into the panel, one part of the wall starter locked onto the wall. That concludes your wall starter. That's all set. Now we're going to tile it back up and stick the wall starter in. You'll see a finished product. Installing your tiles. So I'm going to line this up. Okay. Installing tiles. Glass is solid. Make sure you get everything lined up. This is your finished wall. Now what you want to do is either this is in already, or you want to slide the panels into your wall starter. So, up there.
Woo!
Who did that?
Yep, we're in. Let's just straighten these out. Straighten them out. Installing a top panel roof stabilizer. This is your part that's very long, which is 10 foot long, and it's very heavy. What this does, it locks all the panels in together. Very simple to install, but you must cut this to size on site. Getting the top groove panel is stable and in between all panels. Please tap it down all the way. Make sure you're lined up. Nice and flat. Now, fill in what you need to do to make your filler piece in. So now you get a flat surface that locks in all the panels. Now you would simply take your inch and a half sheet metal screws, self-tap random holes straight down into the panel. One. 2. 3. Now that locks in all the panels so they don't move. Top groove stabilizer bar.